It's special. It's always special to represent our people, and these are the scenes, despite the scoreboard, they definitely turn up and always going to be proud of us. Coming out here, walking out the tunnel, we brought the boys out for kicking and catching in the warm-up, and we come out a bit early and see all the red and blue flags out here. It's, we haven't seen that before at Eden Park. Well, I haven't seen it before. As a former player, we didn't get a chance to play at Eden Park for Samoa. And then when we come out to kick off and seeing the rest of the people rock up, it felt like we were in our Pia Park. And I said to one of our trainers, one of our Aussie guys, there's two. We're at Eden Park and there's two teams where this is their home ground. It's the All Blacks and Toa Samoa. And that's how it felt tonight for us. It's been awesome to be back in camp. It's been a couple of years, about 10 years, since I've been in camp with the boys. But it's been awesome to sort of help the next generation of young Samoan players come through, understand their football and high performance. Doesn't have to compromise their culture, So for a lot of boys, I think the 2 weeks is really special for them, and I think we're building to something pretty good. Strong foundations that we're putting in place. So once we start growing those coconut trees, they're off, man. So stay tuned, man. I think in the next couple of years, you're going to see some pretty big things. I think from this group of people.
Yeah, it was crazy. It was my first time here. I got really emotional when we were singing the anthem and everyone jumped on board. It's just a little bit sad that we couldn't get the result that we wanted, but I'm just proud. I'm a proud Samoan, and I'll take that to Loki. So yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty buzzy. First time playing in New Zealand, like a test match. So yeah, special feeling, especially when they sing the Samoan anthem. They sang both, but yeah, caught me off guard there for a bit, but definitely was exciting. Oh, crazy. They're loyal fans. Despite the result, they stayed out there for however long they did, and they showed appreciation to us, and we just want to say thank you for staying out. Yeah, definitely one of the best ones I've been a part of, and unfortunately it's only 2 weeks, and I wish it was longer, but yeah, definitely keen to come back and get stuck into it next year and see what we can build. I know we've got a young team, and we're an experienced team as well, but definitely can look forward to next year, and yeah, only upwards from there.
Thank you.
I just want to thank everyone for coming out and hanging around as well. So it means a lot to us.
Oh.